Hey guys, welcome back to JR419. This is a short intro with the Project Mark 7. As you guys know, I've done build after build, not build after build, but you know what I mean. Usually like part after part on Project Mark 7. Took you guys along for the ride, and Project Mark 7 is what it looks like today. A little dirty right now, but we're all right. We're all right. But I want to give a shout out to all the vendors making these awesome parts for this car. And also I want to shout out to all the supporters on my YouTube channel who helped support me who made this build possible. Me getting the car back in September 2016 to having it to what it is today. As you can obviously see, it looks absolutely beautiful. But what I did not tell you is that the final piece of the puzzle that I kept mentioning in all of my other videos is wheels. I finally have wheels and tires for this car. I've been wanting to do it for a while, and it ties everything together. So I want to give a special shout out to two people, especially Lionel, well actually three. My boy Lionel for actually helping me set this up, and I'll tell you about what he helped me set up in a minute. Shout out to the custom shop who I actually ordered my wheels from and the tires, installed it with them and everything, and it's perfect. Thank you guys. And also big shout out to a gentleman who does videography in the best way possible, Roscoe Sparks. I'll put his link in the description below, as well as the custom shops as well. I wanted to do something a little different with my wheel reveal instead of doing a traditional vlog. So I had him help me make a cinematic video, and shout out to Lionel for being the camera car for Roscoe to allow to do the rolling shots and stuff with my car. But here is the wheel reveal of my car. Shout out to everybody, the vendors that made these awesome parts, to you guys, the subscribers. Even if you're not a subscriber, that the fact that you watch my channel, when you come up to me at shows and you say, wow, I love the build, I love the style of the car, it's awesome. And I just want to say thank you guys. Thank you Roscoe for creating the video. Thank you to Custom Shopper for always providing great service, not just to me, but to everybody. And I'm ready to show this video off. So you know what, without further ado, I'm gonna stop talking. Here's a cinematic video, the wheel reveal of Project Mark 7. Hope you guys enjoy. Hello? Where? Cool. All right. On my way. Definitely no problem. Definitely. Okay, cool. I'm on my way. I'm going right now. All right. on.